Hello, I'm Sarah and this is my Tunisian stitches collection. Today I'm showing you the Tunisian mesh stitch. There are several Tunisian mesh stitches around and this is only one variation of it. So create a traditional foundation row beginning from a chain in an odd number of stitches. Here I have my foundation row in Tunisian simple stitch of 9 stitches, and I'll start from here with the stitch pattern. So chain 1, then yarn over twice, skip the first vertical bar, which is this one here and not the one that's right under the loop on the hook, which we never consider usually, and insert the hook under the second vertical bar, this one, like this, and through the adjacent horizontal bar, like this, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through 2 loops and bring the loop on the hook. Again, yarn over twice, skip the next vertical bar and work into the following by inserting the hook under the vertical bar and through the horizontal bar that's right near it. Pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2, and up on the hook. Yarn over twice, skip the next vertical bar and insert the hook under the following vertical bar and through the horizontal bar, yarn over and pull through, yarn over again and pull through 2. There you go. Now yarn over twice, skip the second to last vertical bar and work into the last one as in a neat closing stitch, as I like to call it, by inserting the hook on the front and back bar of that last stitch. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2 and up on the hook. And we have our 9 stitches on the hook. Now proceed with a standard return pass by yarning over and pulling through 1 loop only first, then yarn over again and pull through 2 loops together, repeating this second movement till the end of the row. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and so on. Okay? So, our third row will be done in exactly the same way. So we begin with a chain 1, don't forget it, yarn over twice, skip this lonely bar here and insert the hook over the, let's call it double crochet of previous row. So insert the hook under its vertical bar and through the adjacent horizontal bar, yarn over and pull through. Stitch is not closed yet, so we yarn over again and pull through those 2 loops and bring it up on the hook. So yarn over twice, skip this bar here and work into the following one. like this. Stitch is not complete. Yarn over again, pull through 2. Now it's complete. Yarn over twice, insert the hook under the vertical bar and through the horizontal bar, and let's finish the stitch by yarning over and pulling through those 2 loops. Again, we'll finish by skipping this second to last single bar and inserting the hook as in a neat closing stitch in the last stitch. Be careful, stitch is not finished. We need to yarn over again and pull through those 2 loops too. And proceed with our standard return pass. Like this. Okay, and you can see how lovely and meshy this Tunisian stitch is. Yeah, and that's it for today. So thank you for watching and see you next time with my next Tunisian stitch. Bye bye.